Hey guys, Pooja here. In this video, I want to share with you the top 7 free design systems for Figma that I believe you should check out this year. Now, starting from the first one, we have Preline, which is marketing themselves as the world's largest free Figma design system. And I can tell you this design system is really well crafted. I love the design, I love how minimal it is, and how easy it is to basically incorporate these type of designs in the modern UI designs for your clients or personal projects. So this is going to be a great starting point in order to create the base for a brand identity for your projects. So definitely check it out. As you can see, it's quite comprehensive in the amount of components, so that is always really useful. And of course, it's important to have a good base. You can check it out on preline.co. So moving forward, we have Detachless, which is another UI kit that really stands out in the landscape of design systems because it's quite well crafted. I really like the design overall. Again, it's use of components and instances basically allow you to create web designs with these blocks, as you can see in this mini video demo. And it's quite a good solution to create websites in a more effortless way, or at least structure the base and avoid having to start everything from scratch. And you have all of the bells and whistles which you are expecting these days. So the core components, the auto layout, color system, typography systems, global styles, grid and spacing. So basically you got it covered. And they do have this free UI kit. They also believe they have a pro version, but you can check out the free version over here. It's at detachless.com. Now, the very next one, which I have to add to this list, is Flowbite Design System. They also have this free version, free component, and basically, I am a fan of Flowbite. They have been around for quite a while, and as you can check out in this Figma community file, they do have this really beautifully crafted design system, and you have pretty much all of the elements that you might want to expect. I mean, just take a look at this typography page. Like there's really is a lot going on, so you definitely want to check it out. Also, the spacing, I really like this formatting and basically how they laid out this design system in general. It's really well crafted, and love the work that they've put into this. So definitely check it out. The very next one is Taptap design system. And this one is a design system that has been around for quite a while on the Figma community. As you can see, it's been around for 3 years, but it's definitely still a worthwhile design system to check out. So you can see over here the vast majority, like the amount of elements that you're going to find. So this is almost like a bird's eye overview of the design system overall. And you can see all of the elements directly from here. So again, very clean style. I really like this baby blue palette that they applied to the design system in general. And yeah, overall, really interesting to check out and to consider for the base of your next project. Following up, we have design system, which is from Design System and Belgilin. And as you can see, this is one of the most popular design systems on the Figma community, and for good reasons, because if you have a look at the preview, you can see how nicely structured this design system is. It's quite simple, yet very efficient, because sometimes you don't want to have a fully stylized design system. You just want a basic structure, basic skeletal structure, and then you're going to basically go ahead and update and work on customizing your design system. So this is definitely one to check out. Following up, the very famous Undesign System, which is available on the Figma community. And this one is definitely one of my favorite design systems out there. I just love the design and the feeling that they conveyed with this design system. It's just really well crafted, and you have all of the instances, all the variables, and pretty much the entire structure that you want in a design system when it comes to the essentials and much more as well. So I just love the way that they crafted this. You can definitely tell that they have a development mindset as well, and yeah, just overall a really great design system to consider. And last but definitely not least, we have the Bootstrap 5 design system. Now, as if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I love the design system of Bootstrap. It's been one of the first systems that I used when I learned HTML, CSS many years ago. So they're always going to have a sweet spot in my heart, simply because it brings me back those memories when I was learning to code. But overall, this design system, again, really well crafted. Really like what they did here. If you're familiar with Bootstrap, you can already understand the direction that they went towards, and the type of work and designs that you might want to expect when opening this design system. So extensive documentation, extensive sync with the Bootstrap roots, and overall a really nice solution. So this is it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions about design systems in general, feel free to leave them in the comment. I have over a decade of experience in this field, so I always try to my best to get back to you with the answers to the questions if I have them. And if you want to learn more about UI UX design, I have a channel with over 900 videos which are entirely for free. So feel free to check them out, and I'll see you in the next one.